So we are back at this question, 42 times 3. Okay, so in an earlier video I showed you one way of approaching the question. Now let's try another approach. Alright, so what you can do is you can directly do the multiplication, okay, by placing the 2-digit number, okay, on top of the 1-digit number. Alright, so the important thing is to make sure the ones and tens and hundreds are all aligned when you are performing the multiplication. Alright, so we can see that for these two numbers, 3 is in the ones place and 2 is in the ones place, so the number 3 must come below 2. Alright, so this is important, okay, when you're doing this multiplication. Alright, so to do the multiplication, we start with the ones. Okay, we always start with the ones and then go to the tens and hundreds and so on. Okay, so first step is we multiply 2 times 3, we get 6. Alright, so that is the first step. Okay, we multiply the ones together. Okay, now after we have multiplied the ones of the 2-digit number with the single digit, then we move on to multiply the tens of the 2-digit number with the single digit. Okay, so 4 times 3, what do you get? You get 12. Okay, so to write 12, okay, you must write the ones digit, okay, directly below the tens number, okay, and then the 1 before it. Okay, so that is how you write the 12. Okay, so that gives us the final answer here, 126. Okay, so again this is an easy example, okay, because we do not have any carry. All right, but we will soon look at other examples, all right, to better understand how to approach this kind of multiplication. All right, again we will explore both techniques, okay, the one in the earlier video plus this one over here. All right, thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.